Few people know how effective this combination is against ticks. It's 10 times more powerful than store-bought products. Start by preparing a plastic container with a measuring scale so you can easily measure the ingredients. Pour in about 7 ounces of alcohol. Alcohol preserves the mixture and helps it spread evenly. Transfer the alcohol to a glass bottle. Add 3.5 ounces of cloves. Cloves have a strong, spicy aroma that ticks absolutely hate, making them incredibly effective. Seal the bottle well and place it in a dark spot for 4 days. Shake it daily to help the ingredients blend. You'll notice the liquid darkens over time. After 4 days, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove the solids. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil. This will make the spray gentler on the skin and easier to apply. Pour everything into a spray bottle. Close it, and it's ready to use. Shake well before each use and spray it on exposed skin, especially hands, legs, and neck. This is a powerful and natural tick repellent, free from harmful chemicals.